Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my rendition of this Glam Elegant Tablescape. Now, this tablescape is a part of a collaboration. Now, it's being hosted by Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living and the Glam Elegant Living Society. Now, we're a group of 7 ladies. We all love glam, and we've come together to embrace glam elegant elements for the home. Now, I hope that you'll go down, find all of the ladies' channels down in the description box, as well as the playlists. Again, if you love elegance and you love glam, you won't regret visiting that playlist today. Also, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll go ahead and hit that subscription button today. Make sure you tap that bell 2 times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. So again, I thank you so much for watching. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good night or a good day. Bye-bye.